The Stranger Things x Nike Air Max 187 Steve Harrington brings a nostalgic 80s vibe to modern sneaker culture, reimagining the exact pair worn by Steve in the iconic series. This collaboration blends a clean white base with layered textiles, soft mesh, and deep maroon leather, creating a rich contrast that instantly captures attention. The reversed Nike Air logos on the tongue and heel add a playful, rebellious twist exclusive to this special edition. A visible Max Air unit delivers lightweight cushioning, while the black waffle outsole enhances that retro running feel fans love. Inside, dual-branded insoles with Stranger Things graphics pull you straight into the world of Hawkins. Even the packaging stands out, featuring 4 collectible pin badges inspired by the show. Balancing storytelling, style, and sneaker heritage, this Air Max 187 is crafted for fans who want a bold, cinematic look on the streets.